Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Papa. Your impact in humility in this kingdom is exceptional. We've watched you from far. We've learned a lot like we're near. And we want to use this day to tell you we love you and celebrate you. Keep doing what you do. You are a David of our own generation. A fearless man. A man who the heavens are proud of. So we love you. Congratulations for another milestone. Happy birthday to you. This is coming from one of your distant sons, Sensational BAMIDELE, the Oracle of God's Praise, all the way from the city of Niger Delta, South, Port Harcourt. God bless you.